Vishnupriya coming from Department of Mathematics. Differential equations. What is a differential equation? A differential equation is an which contain one or more terms under the derivative of one variable with respect to another variable. That means dependent variable with respect to independent variable. Here it is dy by dx equal to f of x. Here x is the independent variable, y is the dependent variable. Y is depending on x, so y is the dependent variable. What is the dependent and independent variable? Dependent variable whose value is the obtained is called the dependent variable. The variable to which value is assigned noun the independent variable. For example, y equal to x square plus x. Y is the dependent, x is the independent. X is depending on with respect to x, so y is called the, here it is dependent value. Next, differential equation. Differential equation is ordinary and partial differential equations. Ordinary differential equation and partial differential equation goes to first order and higher order. Next, linear and non-linear, homogeneous and non-homogeneous equations. What is the ordinary differential equation and partial differential equations? Differential equations which involve only one independent variable and the derivatives is called ordinary differential equations. Example is dy by dx plus x plus 5 equal to 0. Here it is only one independent variable. Here it is also only one independent variable. D square y by dx square plus 4 dy by dx plus 3y equal to 0. Next, partial differential equation. A differential equation contains more than one independent variable and the partial derivatives of the dependent variable with respectively. Partial differential equation, one or more than independent variable. For example, dou square u by dou x square plus dou square v by dou y square. Here it is the two and then more than independent variable. It is the example of the partial differential equations. Next, first order ordinary differential equation. First order differential equation in an equation involving unknown function of y. It is the derivative of y dash with respect to variable x. We only take up a differential equation y dash equal to f of y comma x. It is the general form of dy by dx equal to f of x comma y. For example, it is the first order differential equation. Dy by dx equal to 2x plus 3. Next, second order differential equation. Second order differential equation is an equation involving unknown function y. It is the derivative y dash and y double dash. It is the first derivative, it is the second derivative and variable of x. It is the general form of equation f of x y dash y double dash equal to 0. We consider differential equations of the form y double dash. It is the second order differential equations. Next, what is the linear and non-linear differential equations? Here, a linear equations can be defined the equation having maximum only 1 degree. Non-linear, here it is maximum degree 2 or more than of 2. It is the non-linear. Linear equations form a straight line in the graph. Non-linear equations the curve of the graph. Next, the general form of the linear differential equations of second order. It is the general form of the linear differential equation d square y by dx square plus p dy dx plus q dy equal to r. Here p, q are constant, r is the function. General solution we get the value of y equal to complementary function and particular integral. It is complementary functions of the formula. We get the roots are equal and real and distinct. We using this complementary function of the formula a e power m1 of x plus b e power m2 of x. We get the real roots are real and equal values using m1 equal to m2 using this formula ax plus b e power m of x or a plus bx e power m of x. We get the roots are imaginary, the form of the alpha plus or minus beta. Using this formula e power ax, a cos bx plus b cos bx. Next, particular integral formula. Given the problems are e power x pi equal to 1 by f of d into x. X is the e power ax. Depending f of a not equal to 0. It goes to x e power ax 1 by f dash of a. Here f of a equal to 0. First time derivative equal to 0. Again we go to x square e power alpha x 1 by x square f of double dash to f of a equal to 0. One time derivative equal to 0. Second time derivative is not equal to 0. Second one, the function is x power n. Here it is using of f of d inverse of x power n. Next we give the problems sin ax or cos ax. We go to particular integral equal to 1 by f of d cos alpha x or sin alpha x, replacing capital D by minus of a square. Solve the problems. I teach to one problem. Solve the equation d square minus 5d plus 6y equal to 0. It is clearly two homogeneous equation because equal to 0. So it is called the homogeneous equation. First of all, given the equation d square minus 5d plus 6 of y equal to 0, that we take auxiliary equations replacing d equal to m square. So m square minus 5m plus 6y equal to 0. Going to next step, auxiliary equation factorizations. So m square minus 3m minus 2m plus 6 equal to 0. First two parts of common value is m. So we get m minus 3. Another two parts is common value is minus 2. We get m minus 3 equal to 0. Here it is m value is different value at the same time real value. So using this table value, real and distinct, we can take a e power m1 of x plus e power m2 of x. So complementary function equal to a e power m1 of x, it is the first value of e 3x plus to b e power 2x, it is the second value. General solution equal to y equal to complementary function plus particular integral. It is a homogeneous equation, so there not exist the particular integral. Only get complementary function. Finalized y equal to a e power 3x plus b e power 2x. And next one is solve the equation d square plus 1 y equal to sin x. Given the equations d square plus 1 y equal to sin x. We take auxiliary equation replacing d square equal to m square. M square plus 1 equal to 0. M square minus 1. Square is upon the time root of minus 1. Root of minus 1, here this value of plus or minus 1. We get the value of alpha plus I beta of the form. So using complementary function, we get the roots are imaginary alpha plus or minus beta e power ax cos beta x plus b cos beta x. So I am using e power ax cos beta x plus b sin beta x. Here this alpha is 0. So e power 0, anything power 0 is 1. So I get only a cos beta is 1 value. So x plus b sin alpha. Next it is the non-homogeneous equation. So there exists the particular integral also. 1 by d square plus 1 sin x. It is the particular integral of sin value. So we can using d is replacing by the a square. So d is coefficients of 1. So 1 is replacing on d square minus 1 square. Here it is f of value is 0. So x into 1 by 2 into d of sin x. X by 2, 1 by d is a differential term of d upon the inverse value is the inverse of integral of sin x into dx. So x by 2 integral of sin x, direct formula of the minus cos x. It is the PA equal to minus x cos x by 2. The general solution of y equal to, we get complementary function and particular integral. Complementary function is this, particular integral is this. Thank you.